Hello students, welcome on my channel Smart Study. In this video I am going to discuss very important MCQs of the chapter Children at Work, second chapter It So Happened, which is the English supplementary reader of class 8. This video is a package of complete revision and a set of very important questions. Therefore this video will be beneficial for all the students of 8th class. So let's start with our questions. Writer of the story Children at Work is, let's see the options, Geeta Wolf, Tim Wolf, Rudyard Kipling and Tintin. Writer of the story Children at Work is Geeta Wolf. She wrote this story along with Anushka Ravi Shankar and Arijit Singh. So the right answer lies on first option. Moreover, students, you need to remember that Rudyard Kipling was the writer of the story How the Camel Got His Hump. Moving on to the next question. Who is the central character of the story Children at Work? Is it Velu, ticket collector, Velu's father or Velu's sister? The central character of the story is Velu. The correct answer is option 1, Velu. Next question is, what is the age of Velu? Options are 11 years, 20 years, not mentioned in the textbook, and the last option is none of the above. The age of Velu is clearly mentioned in the textbook. That's why the option 3rd is wrong. The age of Velu mentioned in the textbook is 11 years. The correct answer is option 1, 11 years. Where did Velu arrive at by the train? Did he arrive his village, Delhi, Chennai or any picnic spot? Velu arrived Chennai by the train. The correct answer is option 3, Chennai. Velu's father was a drunkard, rag picker, peasant, both option 1 and option 2. Peasant in the third option means a farmer. Velu's father was neither a peasant nor a rag picker. He was a drunkard and he used to snatch away all the hard-earned money of Velu and his sisters and spend it on drink. Velu was traveling in a or an. Options are unreserved compartment, second one reserved compartment, third option both 1 and 2, and fourth option none of the above. Velu was traveling in an unreserved compartment. So the correct answer is first option, unreserved compartment. Why did Velu not buy the ticket? Options are because he had no money to buy the ticket. Second option, he did not want to buy the ticket. Third option, he forgot to buy the ticket. While the fourth option says none of the above. Velu did not buy ticket because he had no money to buy the ticket. The correct answer is option number 1. Why was Velu not caught traveling without ticket? Options are because the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. Second option, he was hidden under the seat during the journey. Third, he hid himself behind the luggage. Fourth, none of the above. Velu was not caught traveling without ticket because the ticket collector did not come to the unreserved compartment. Whom did Velu meet at the railway station? Options are ticket collector, his father, Jaya or his sisters. Answer of this question is Jaya. Velu met Jaya at the railway station. Right answer is third option, Jaya. Name of the girl Velu met at the station is, options are Jaya, Riya, Diya, Neha. In the last question itself, we got to know the name of the girl was Jaya, whom Velu met at the railway station. Jaya was options are a maid servant, a rag picker, a teacher or a singer. Jaya was a rag picker and she used to collect paper, plastic and glass and sell them to Jam Bazaar Jaggu, a junk dealer. What was Jaya wearing? Jaya was wearing torn banyan, a skirt, a frock or a t-shirt. Jaya was wearing a torn banyan. The right answer of this question is option 1. Why was Velu sad? Let's look at the options. He was caught by the ticket collector. He was beaten by his father. He wanted to go back to his home. He was tired, hungry and alone. Velu was sad because he had run away from his home. His father used to beat him and would snatch away the hard-earned money of Velu and his sisters and spend it on drink. Velu could not stand the torture inflicted by his father, and that's why he had run away from his home. He had not eaten in the past 2 days, except a piece of jaggery and some peanuts. He had not traveled such a long distance in his life. That's why he was tired. All these reasons account for Velu's sadness, and that's why the answer of this question is fourth option. Where did the girl lead Velu to? A big garbage bin behind the marriage hall. Second, to her friend's home. Third, to a birthday party or to a nearby hotel. Jaya led Velu to a big garbage bin behind the marriage hall to get him some food to eat since he was very hungry. The correct answer of this question is option 1. What did Jaya and Velu get to eat from the garbage bin? First option, Velu got squishy banana and avara while Jaya got a banana. In the second option, Velu got chocolate while Jaya got ice cream. Third option says they got no food from the garbage bin, while in the fourth option, they got food from a nearby hotel. Jaya led Velu to a big garbage bin which was situated behind a marriage hall, where they managed to get leftover food to eat. Velu got a squishy banana and a vara, while Jaya got just a banana to eat. Velu reached Chennai by bus, car, train, aeroplane. Velu reached Chennai by the train Kanyakumari Express. Why did Velu follow the strange girl? Because he was new in the city and he thought that she could arrange food for him. He wanted to snatch her sack. He needed a friend. None of the above. Velu being new in the city, he didn't know where to go and what to do. He was very tired and hungry. He thought that Jaya knows much about this place and could arrange food for him. That's why he decided to follow the strange girl. The correct answer of this question is option 1. Name of the train by which Velu was traveling. Options are Chennai Express, Kanyakumari Express, Rajdhani Express, or all of the above. Velu was traveling by the train Kanyakumari Express. The correct answer lies on option 2. Moving on to the next question. Why had Velu run away from his home? Because he could not stand his father's beating, and also his father would snatch away their hard-earned money and spend it on drink. Second option, he got a job in other city. Third option, he wanted to live alone. Fourth option, none of the above. Velu had run away from his home because he could not tolerate his drunkard father's beating, who used to snatch away their hard-earned money and spend it on drink. What sort of things did Jaya and children like her collect? They collected toys to play with, or old clothes, or dolls and teddy bear, or things such as paper, plastic and glass. Jaya and children like her used to collect things such as paper, plastic and glass and sell these junks to Jam Bazaar Jaggu. The correct answer of this question is option number 4. Next question. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there. Jaya said to Velu. What is she referring to? Given options are the Central Jail, the Choco Bar, both option 1 and option 2, all of the above. Jaya said these lines to Velu, in which she has referred bars to the Central Jail. The correct answer lies on option 1. Which of these languages can Velu read? English, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam. Velu could not read signboards in English, but he could read and understand Tamil signs on the Central Jail. With this, we can say that Velu can read Tamil. The correct answer of this question is Tamil, option number 2. What were the materials strange huts made out of? These strange huts were made out of first option glass, second option metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic, third option stone and bricks, fourth option rubber. These strange huts were made out of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. Velu found huts in Chennai strange, and the reason behind it we will discuss in the next question. Why did Velu find those huts strange? Velu found those huts strange because first option, those strange huts were made out of glass and rubber. Second option, in his own village, the huts were made of mud and palm leaves. Third option, those strange huts were haunting. Fourth option, none of the above. Viru found those huts strange because in his own village the huts were made out of mud and palm leaves, while in Chennai the huts were made out of metal sheets, bricks, wood and plastic. This was the last question of the video. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. I have also made a video on important MCQs of how the camel got his hump. Chapter 1, It So Happened. If you want that video also, check the link in the description box or in the I button. Before leaving, hit the like button and share this video with your friends also. See you and stay safe.